Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making vanilla cookies with walnuts.
You will need 2 1/4 cups flour, 1½ cups powdered sugar, 1 cup finely chopped walnuts, 1 cup 2 sticks unsalted butter, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1½ teaspoons vanilla extract. We'll start by sifting the flour. Add the salt and stir slightly. Add the butter, you can use margarine or lard, and add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. I should have chopped the walnuts at the beginning, but here it is. Chop the walnuts very finely by hand without using a machine. Make sure to chop them as finely as possible. Then mix the powdered sugar and butter with a mixer. And scrape the mixture from the sides of the bowl with a spatula. Add the vanilla and mix well again. Then add the flour and mix everything well. Finally, add the finely chopped walnuts and mix everything until you get a homogeneous mixture. I use an ice cream scoop for shaping, but you can use a regular spoon and form balls by hand about 1 inch in diameter. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and arrange the balls without worrying about them sticking, as they retain their size during baking. I ended up with exactly 28 balls, but it depends on the size you make. Preheat the oven to 350 and bake for 12 to 18 minutes, or until they are firm and slightly golden on the bottom. When you take them out of the oven, let them cool slightly, then roll the balls in the remaining powdered sugar and arrange them on a serving tray. And that's it. The vanilla cookies with walnuts are ready. When you try them, you'll see how delicious they are. Once I start, I can't stop. Pour yourself a cup of milk and enjoy.
I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.